Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love, guys. Welcome. You know, the thing goes, you know. Them say after a storm, there must be a calm. But trust me, the calm, when you see the calm after, total disaster for some people. It's not everyone, you know, affected. You know, some minor, some heavily, badly hurt, you know. And to see some of the damage that Beryl did, you know, is really devastated, you know. I just can't imagine how many work it's gonna take, you know, to come back how it was like before. So now I'm passing by here in, you know, Port Henderson, right? Port Henderson Beach, Portmore Harbour Beach, you know, that was here, you know, with Father Lovely was calling me, you know, to come give to see what's going on, but I was passing by, but he's not here exactly today or at this minute, because apparently someone else is here been waiting on him and there's no sign of him. So who knows, sometimes discouragement, you know, come a long way when you know you've been trying, and then, you know, when Beryl passed by, it done some damage, you know, for my eyes to see what is going on here, you know. So maybe sometimes I say you've been trying so much in life sometime, and then now things happen. So it's like a setback, you know. It's a setback for him because he's done so many work here in Portmore Harbour Beach, you know, which is Port Henderson, you know, and then, you know, Beryl come take a toll, you know, says like, hey, I recycle back again to start all over back again, you know, to get this place up and running how it was before, you know. So I'm just going to give you an insight to see what it's like, you know, what take place, because so guys, so this is the Port Henderson Beach, as you can see, you know. So the work is under construction, you know. And how far back this beach stretched to the Port Henderson part?
It goes parallel in line with the prison down there, that is woman prison, Fort Augustus prison.
Oh,
in front of you got Port Royal.
Yeah. Oh, is that Port Royal I'm looking at?
And that's the channel here. This, I could say to you, ambience is one of the best in the Caribbean.
Yes, yes.
Talk about ambience and beautification in terms of what you see and the comfortability. It is right here, you get it at the Port Henderson Beach.
Yes, yes.
There's no other beach beat the ambience that Port Henderson Beach has to offer. What I really admire about the Port Henderson Beach is the texture and the beauty of the water. Come close to the water.
Very clear.
So clean, so clear, you know.
So clean.
Yeah, so beautiful, you know. Well, it's always like this, you know, to a level whereby, you know, you know. But as I said to you, we do regular maintenance. You have guys who comes in the morning and tidy up it. As we see, no seaweed, nothing like that.
Yeah, no seaweed at all.
Yeah, it seems to me and feel like when you're walking at Old or in Negril Beach. Look at it.
Yes.
Only found in Port Henderson Beach in Portmore. Yeah, Father Love says that.
Father
and
Love.
That and he believes that also.
So guys, see our Father Love, the gatekeeper, you know, trying to keep the place back to how it was. It was more work, as you can see from the drone shot, you know, how it was. You know, at least they done some work with some of the cleaning up, you know. But the beach, as you can see, so many things. Oh, the ocean come right here, and it's so many work here to get done. Just take a good look and what you're seeing, you know. And trust me, remember, you already done some work already, you know, and this is the aftermath of what it looks like here at Portmore Harbour Beach, you know. Stretches to like literally a mile down, looking like this. You know, so this is what I've been saying, like, you know, been trying so hard, you know, to get something up and running, you know, even though this is like a mother nature, you know, disaster, mother nature. Sometimes we cannot prevent it, sometimes it happens. But he's not here today, you know, there's a worker you've been waiting on him, so he's not here. You know, sometimes you never know, you might feel discouraged, you might feel a way of, you know, that you've been doing so much and then this come happen right now. Because this here is a lot of work to get done, you know. There's a lot of work here to get done with the cleaning up part of it, you know, as you can see, you know, so many, trust me. And this will definitely take time, you know. This will definitely take time to come back to, You know, so you look and you see all different type of rubber here, you know, buckles, bamboos, sticks, you know, name it, you know. So many stuff. Even got coconut here, calabash, you know. Everything washed from sea, come right ashore. So everything does take a toll back here, you know. Just imagine, you know. Just imagine. So just look at this after Beryl have passed. So you can put yourself in his shoes, you know, and tell me how would you feel, because you've been trying your best, you know, to get this, you know, up to a standard that people can come and enjoy themselves. But even though, you know, it's Mother Nature, you know, take a toll, you know, give it a beat. And as you can see how far this stretch all the way to, you know. And trust me, this man put in a lot of work to get all of this sorted out. Yeah, look at this big tree stump right here. And there's so many bamboos as well too, you know, because you can see they've been trying to pile up, try to burn, you know. But you know, most of it is wet, so much burning cannot get done, you know. Just look at all the damage, you know. As you can see, the water still, you know, brown, you know. Just look at this. This stretch is a lot way ahead, and this man clear up all of this before, you know, because he was using, you know, the tractor, the bulldozer, you know, to clean up some of this. As you can see, you know, him trying best. He's been trying his best. And so once you put your foot in his shoes, you know, I know you've been trying to get investors to come and help you, you know, to see if you can bring back this how it was. And he spent a lot of money on doing what he was doing to get it where it was, you know. And to see what this is like now. So everything here is washing from sea, come ashore. So many bottles, you know, so many bottles, so many damage. So this is the hardest part, you know, especially as a businessman, having a business on the beachfront, you know, in front of this. Just look. So this stretches all the way up there. If you continue walk, and you will continue to see the same thing. The same thing you will literally continue to see. Stretches all the way back. That way. So this is going to take some work. And him alone cannot do it. He's going to need some strong support from the government to help this get cleared up. Trust me. So Father love, you know, I understand your pain, you know, I understand how this make you feel, but don't give up, don't lose faith, you know. Look, there's a ball here. This ball look well good, can bring a gear, look a boy. All it need probably pumping. I don't think this is burst. So I wonder if this is the same ball that washed away in Trenchtown Gully, ended up over here. Well, the valve shift. Yeah, so. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. So guys, as I can see, this is what Beryl done, you know? Damage. You look all the way down. And you look all the way right in front of me. You know, it's so much. Before, it wasn't nothing like this. What the, a lot of bamboo as well. So over here really take a damage, you know. Father love, you know, Father love, just don't get discouraged, you know, don't lose faith, don't give up. Because sometimes in life them say every setback is a great get back, you know. Who to tell who is watching this, you know, willing to give us strength to get back this place how it was before, you know. And remember guys, I'm already pay the tractor man to come and do some cleaning already. And the tractor work is not cheap. So this is and then look how many work here is to get done same way. You know, is to get done same way. So even more damage I've done to the buildings, you know, as I can see. More damage to the building. Oh boy, so many work. So many work. Hey, imagine Jamaica never got full heat, you know, so it's slightly of the storm. So we give thanks, it never works, you know, really give thanks. It wasn't worse because we'll be looking at only here, we'll be looking at so many places in Jamaica that got a hit. Father love, I feel your pain, you know. I feel your pain. So here's the worker here, been waiting from morning, you know. There's no sign of Father love today. So I guess Father love is not in the mood for coming out today to see the carnage, you know, of more work to get done, you know. So at least them clear up here, you know. Cause the tractor done some clearing up here, you know, as you could see how it was. You know. Wow. Even the tree that breaks away. So you can imagine how high the tide was as well too. That evening side you got rubbles. Look, so many bottles already. So many bottles. I remember the liquor hut that was right here. Beryl take that away as well. There's the top. You know, it was right here. That's the roof there. You know, it was right here, and that's get washed away. You know, black here. So these are the remaining. At least the roof is here, still can use. You know, at least the roof is here. This tree, as you can see, far along as well too. Bust from inside. You know. So more damage I've done to what the damage already here already. Father. Look at this. Just look. Look. Right, I'm telling you. So, even around here, look at the state. Let's look at the state of around here as well. Damaging. Bad. Really bad. The tree as well, to this tree, as you can see, it could sustain the pressure of the wind, you know. So this far along as well to on the building over here, you know, also on the fence, far along on the fence, on the building, break. You see how bad this is. It fall on the building. Yep. Yep, literally. Oh boy. Pale limbs, pale trees, everything blowing away, mashed up. Hey, Father Love clear up the around here was so looking good when you clean up around here, and as you can see, so many work to get done. Guys, let's pray for Father Love, you know, give him more strength, health and strength, you know, to continue on his journey, not for him to give up, you know, on his duty and his mission, because I like his vision, you know, I like his vision. And sometimes things like this only break a man's faith, you know, but you have to also be strong, you know, have faith, you know, not just lose it when you come on to a situation like this. Because in life we do get tests, you know, sometimes we get tests to see how strong we are with faith to carry on, you know. And I guess this is something like this, you know, Father Love is facing right now, you know. So at least him clear these sides already, you know, it's not as bad, you know, so some work did get done, but it's just the rest. It's just the rest. And as you can see, the roofing the zinc as well too, 'cause it wasn't like that. That is off as well, so that takes some zincs as well too. Over there when I'm set up, gone. You know, so Portmore Harbour Beach, it does, you know, it takes some beating. It do take some beating, you know. It did take some beating, boy. Did take some beating, guys. It did. So as you can see, let me all pray for Father Love, you know, for him to get back where he was, you know, even beyond, you know. This is really tough. Imagine me, I was here doing all this and then all this happened and it was like start all over back again, you know, all over back again. Wow. Yes, guys, you know, they'll stay tuned, you know, Father Love. So I guess the man is leaving now because he's been waiting for Father Love and there's no sign of him here today. So he's leaving now. So Father Love, just stay strong, you know. It will definitely get where you want it to be, you know, with faith, you know, determination. Let's never give up. It's only a test, you know, and it's Mother Nature. What can you do, you know? But Mother Nature strikes sometime in life, like we cannot complain, you know, because we cannot do anything to stop it, you know. We have to just accept it, you know, and we give thanks. It never worse. It could have been worse, but give thanks. It's never worse. So blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Stay tuned, right? Stay tuned. Wow. Wow. Well, guys, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Look at the pavilion. We're in apple tree. Yeah, look at apple tree. Dead. Place is dead, you know. So I'm here to come see my barber. You know, as you can see, I got my hair done. So it's time to look freshen up. Right now, after the hurricane storm, you know, everything is calm. So been through the rough season. Now it's time to get back on the road move, you know. So it's time to get on the go. Yeah. So I guess it's right here. Yeah, so the rough season, now it's time to get smooth. You know, hope you like my new hairstyle. You know, big up. Big up my stylist, Moet. Big up yourself, Moet. You know the thing goes already. Big up yourself, Moet. For my ear spoil. You know, hairstyle, me not ear spoil. You know, Moet also is Smiley's sister. You know, she's my hairstylist. She been giving me this nice, lovely hairstyle from the other day. You know, it's been trending. Them trending hairstyles. Trust me. Moet, thing gonna last. So guys, you know, when I get a hair done here somewhere in Jamaica, call me. You know, call me, let me link it up with Moet. You know, or if you're not scared to come to Charleston to get your hair done, or you can call us, you can come and do it anywhere you are. You know, trust me, you won't be disappointed. No. Won't be disappointed. So some stores are closed. They're not reopen yet. Close. The pavilion is empty. Good energy. I don't need negativity around me. No. Baba, yo ya. So the barber's got one in the chair, you know, so I'm after that person. So step outside, look at the place. Quiet. Yeah, so guys, so rate my hairstyle out of 10, you know, give me some rating. Done by Moet Styles. Big up yourself, Moet Styles, for my hairstyle. Wicked and wild. Guys, remember to put the thumbs up when you're watching, you know. Put the thumbs up, you know, don't forget. You know, leave a positive comment. And if you're negative or you feel negative-ish, you leave a negative one, you know. But if you're positive, leave it positive, you know. So don't be that negative type. No.
One cup of what? Anything?
Yeah, I'm on a junk, never say him junk yet. I'm on a junk, never say him junk yet. All is well? Yeah, you know, man. Up and Bah. 2 quarts.
Yeah.
Are you yellow car? Up a yellow car that?
No, it's over chain inside.
I know I'm go over there to see it. I wonder how for yellow car.
I'm not over chain and I'm all in the
I know. I wonder who for yellow car that. I'm go over there and run a light on it as well too. But you see the thing was them put it on it not firm.
Them should put it there.
Them should put it there so.
You put that in the back. The amount of jump fly that there.
Yeah, I tell you, man. I could have said, no, whole heap of steel in there. I look for it. I don't really see no steel. I must about one steel I see now.
Okay, and that's it dropping on somebody head.
Yeah, I try to tell them, man. And that full pan this, and they're like, what kind of idea is this? You leave and go over there and see there.
A drum flying, a black drum and that. Water drum.
You're the owner, so share, they don't want to come outside.
But them should have no man, make it full of water, even if it's not.
Water night?
No, not them one.
Oh.
On my side.
Oh. Yeah.
Full into water.
So it not blow away.
So it not blow away.
That's the best market thing full into water.
Some of them man are rocky on now.
Yeah. Okay.
You dog run down one.
Yeah.
What? The blue brain dog run down. You need to catch that. You will freeze that.
Alright, well. Yes guys, so I finished got my haircut. Big up to my barber Biggs, the thing go up and running. So yes, them say after a storm must be a calm. So the thing go through the rough season. Now I'm back on the working season, It's over. So I'm ready again, So I'm gonna head down back. The thing goes already keep floating here in Pavilion. Quiet day. So I guess everything is not up to standard as yet for everyone to be here. So soon and very soon we'll be up again. Pick up yourself, Barber Biggs. So now we're ready for the road. Up and running. Alright guys, so sea view wasn't that bad, after everything, everything I've cleaned up. Feel everything clean up. Our football field is being cleaned up, it's been cut, and everything has been up. Not so bad after all. Yeah. So as you can see, there's a football tournament is going to take place here in Seaview, so as you can see, preparation started already, so it's not so bad here in Seaview Garden after the hurricane has passed through, so it's not so bad here in Seaview. Everything is back up and running, smooth sailing, not too many falling rubbers or rubbish anywhere at all. Everything is good. Everything is good here in Seaview, everything goes already. So as you can see, not many to worry about here in Seaview, just 1 and 2 bits and bops. Man, you're dumpling.
All the years, I mean, man, really don't say right now, can't some, you can't stop right now. I know I'm just burn down, watch it up. Left a pot on fire.
Oh, dumpling left on fire?
All in one.
Or rice and dumpling?
No, dumpling and chicken and banana in one.
In one pot?
Yeah. Great along with some coconut, right. But watch out, I'm gonna let the pot pump for you. I don't want me house burn down.
Yeah, the pot burn down. Hey, yeah.
I remember saying, yeah, but one fire, use a region. I saw me to be like a drum. I swear, some young boy.
Say, if it was rice, it was so bad, but dumpling.
Lord Jesus, I've seen about that.
Yeah, okay, for your day tree. Where is it the work? Have you out? Hey. Dumpling, good?
That thing's up a while now.
Over here, listen, over here sell all natural drinks.
Okay.
So you have to go natural.
Not today, I just need a power. Something to power up.
Yeah.
That okay, lazy when you cook food, no, we have to power up. Power, super man.
But I thought they're cooking power food. So, and a power food they're cooking. It's not power food they're cooking.
But they live.
Yeah,
my fans. No big up in my fans.
Yes.
Right now in my fans.
Dumpling, man.
Yeah, I got watching them survive to the storm, you know. I open the catch phone aside, but we don't want to prepare for it if it's coming from the way.
Yeah. Them survive, them been through the storm.
Yeah, man, long to see my fans, them star.
And them long to see you.
Yeah. So I have to give them a sick preview. Right now, you know.
So what are we get the power?
No, yes sir. Yes, excellent.
So all the dumpling are gone? This is the man who eat. How much dumpling they eat? 1 pound? 24. 24 dumpling them and I eat one time.
Yeah, my fans.
So
that's them one forward. And them careful and one to part.
Yeah.
My auntie our officer. Near this bank. So when we come, we have everything with them. We have no own room.
Yeah.
We no own everything.
Yeah.
We no smoke, stay up on the side there. We drink over the side there. Go to the river there, but down John. Just want to hold on and go back home. Yeah. Safe. Enjoy the adventure. Yeah, with dumpling man.
What's it? Mavis Bank?
Yeah, Mavis Bank. Yeah, man, I have to hold up a place up the man to accommodate my friend them man for them flying man.
Yeah.
Yeah, geez.
So she running that.
Wait to go up there.
So she running that Airbnb up there.
Yeah.
We now have to go check in.
Yes, man. And them ones have Blue Mountain side. Yeah, no problem with that.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Just like that. So welcome to Dumpling, man. I eat 24 dumpling. One go.
My fans are not big up on themselves, yes sir? Yeah, love the world out. Big up on
yourself.
themselves.
24 dumpling.
What's that other here? When the version come from England.
Yeah.
Married to a whitey. The day when they come to me, that the man said, the day when they come to me, I said, Roger, much for you can eat? And I said, I create in a 24. Morning!
Yeah.
Feed whitey, I have to go 24 gear every morning.
And should I eat that half?
She said, she said, Mama, and me. Glad you come meet me in person. And me.
The dumpling man.
The man said, good morning.
24.
You cook it, give me. Before I left her.
24 dumpling she eat.
I'm glad you see me in real life, mommy. If you see me on billboard, or other board, or next board, I miss you, man. But me.
So how she manage 24 dumpling?
I have a clue. But she beat me.
She beat it?
I'm the same.
Our size? Our size? Oh.
So yes, every morning.
24?
He asked to cook 24 for me.
24?
Every morning.
Nothing less?
I see you some gentleman wife at the lane. I see you something in the right. But she stayed one time. I said, you said 24 flour. No problem, Roger. When I say, Roger, a problem I give me in England.
Hey man, I make 24 and she have mashed it up. She's something else. Rather she beat you.
It's terrible.
You name 24 and she name 24 and more.
I don't want to see her in the competition.
Nah.
No, I walk out and get proper.
Yeah, she definitely beat you for sure.
You know, say I hold it up. That's something that I see star. I see Manala man. 30 pounds of rice and 3 bullet beef. No, me.
I say you can't do that.
My boss said if the dumps the other day, my friend Tracy,
yeah,
that do the dumping thing, almost dumping guy, say if the dead. Like your fans.
Yeah.
Like that, you know, the fans know how
Yeah.
But they never enter.
You never
Walk
enter.
away. Yeah, I walk away.
Yeah, I walk with that price easily if I was there. What was the cash price?
Them have rice cooker,
Oh.
only for most. Something.
Oh.
And that be only for a tenner. She clap for $1,000. What? 6 what? They call it 6 bucks. With these. Let me say.
Oh.
6. Let me say.
6.
Born with ease. Come back again. Boom.
Yeah,
6
yeah.
more beer. Friends with them must drink 3. I'm saying, I tell you the honest truth. If I'm coming to the place, let me show you the Sarah don't enter. Once Sarah don't enter dumpling, let me take it. I say, alright, go on with it.
Chubby is there.
I say, I'm step back, sir.
Chubby is there.
But you know what, reach him? When they near me 20, he's going to drink 3 beer. One cup right there, no, say, I'm drink beer. Next morning, I hospital, I'm reach.
Dumpling frat up.
Yeah, Cherry, give me a hot power now. Please.
1 power. Oh, it's cherry.
Hot power, Cherry. Child.
Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.